Capture ultra-smooth footage and cinematic shots on the go with a reliable gimbal stabilizer. The best smartphone gimbal for Android enhances video quality, reduces shake, and adds creative control perfect for content creators, vloggers, or casual mobile filmmakers. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. DJI Osmo Mobile 7P Android Gimbal. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7P Android Gimbal delivers next-level stabilization and smart features, making it an ideal choice for creators who demand professional-quality mobile footage. Its multifunctional module combines intelligent subject tracking, DJI Mic 2 or Mini Mic reception, and built-in lighting, all in a sleek and portable design. The 3-axis stabilization ensures buttery-smooth footage, helping eliminate jitters and bumps during movement. It pairs effortlessly with the DJI Mimo app to unlock tools like shot guides and one-tap edit, which are great for beginners looking to produce polished content. Setup is fast and intuitive. Just unfold the gimbal to power it on and magnetically attach your smartphone. The built-in extension rod and tripod make it easier to get wide shots and selfies without needing extra gear. With a 10-hour operating time and the ability to reverse charge your phone when using the mic module, the Osmo Mobile 7P supports extended filming sessions. Overall, this gimbal blends versatility, power, and ease of use, making it a smart investment for Android users looking to enhance their vlogs, TikToks, or professional shoots. Number 2. DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Android Gimbal. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Android Gimbal stands out with its advanced tracking technology, user-friendly features, and compact design. Active Track 6.0 allows you to follow fast-moving subjects like pets or kids with precision, while also enabling self-tracking for solo creators. Its foldable body and 305-gram weight make it incredibly portable and ideal for travel. The built-in extension rod lets you experiment with creative angles, while the 3-axis stabilization system keeps your shots silky smooth. Setup is a breeze. Just unfold it, attach your phone, and you're ready to shoot. A standout feature is its compatibility with Apple Watch for remote control via the DJI Mimo app, allowing you to manage gimbal functions right from your wrist. Shot guides provide automatic scene recognition and filming suggestions, which are especially helpful for beginners. The side control wheel gives you full command over focus and zoom, adding a professional touch to your videos. Whether you're capturing everyday moments or crafting cinematic sequences, the Osmo Mobile 6 offers the reliability and quality you need. Lightweight, powerful, and easy to use, it's a top pick for Android users looking to take their mobile videography to the next level. Number 3. AOCHUAN Say AI Android Gimbal. The AOCHUAN Say AI Android Gimbal combines intelligent features with powerful stabilization, offering an affordable and versatile option for Android users. Its standout feature is the built-in AI tracking module, which enables smart face and object tracking without requiring an app or Bluetooth connection. This hands-free tracking makes it ideal for solo creators and vloggers. The advanced AOCHUAN Smart 8.0 stabilization technology ensures your videos are smooth and professional looking, even when filming at challenging angles. Weighing just 350 grams, it's easy to carry and travel with, and its battery life of up to 10 hours keeps you filming all day. The gimbal supports 4 shooting modes: F, POV, DM, Inception, and Go, allowing flexibility whether you're filming cinematic pans, action scenes, or creative transitions. While you can use it without an app, the optional AOCHUAN app provides even more control, including features like time-lapse, panorama, Hitchcock effect, and slow motion. This gimbal strikes a balance between smart technology and user-friendly design. Its plug-and-play AI capabilities, long-lasting battery, and multiple shooting modes make it a fantastic choice for content creators on the move who want a feature-packed gimbal without breaking the bank. Number 4. Hohem iSteady M7 Android Gimbal. The Hohem iSteady M7 Android Gimbal offers professional-grade stabilization and creative freedom in a compact package. Featuring a detachable remote with a 1.4-inch full-color touchscreen, it gives users real-time previews and easy control over gimbal functions. Its 3-axis design supports 360-degree pan rotation and a 325-degree tilt range, allowing smooth and fluid movement in every direction.
The built-in extension pole lets users experiment with creative angles, whether you're capturing overhead shots or low-level action scenes. An integrated RGB and CCT fill light adds versatility, letting you adjust brightness and color temperature for perfect lighting in every shot. With a robust 12-hour battery life and reverse charging capabilities, this gimbal can also double as a phone power bank during long shoots. The build quality and intuitive controls make it ideal for vloggers, filmmakers, and mobile content creators seeking reliability and performance. Whether you're live streaming, creating cinematic footage, or recording daily moments, the iSteady M7 makes it easy to produce high-quality videos. Its wide feature set, creative flexibility, and user-focused design make it a reliable choice for Android users looking for a smart and powerful stabilizer.
Number 5. Hohem iSteady M6 Android Gimbal. The Hohem iSteady M6 Android Gimbal is packed with advanced features that cater to serious mobile content creators. Its built-in AI tracker can perform face and body tracking without an app or Bluetooth connection, making it incredibly convenient for spontaneous filming. The tracker supports gesture activation, allowing hands-free control, while the adjustable CCT/RGB fill light enhances visibility and adds mood lighting for low-light environments. Powered by the 7th Gen iSteady stabilization algorithm, the M6 delivers exceptionally smooth footage even during fast motion. With a large load capacity and 4 expansion ports, it can accommodate microphones, lights, and other accessories, offering a complete mobile filming rig. The Inception mode enables infinite 360-degree vertical rotation for dramatic cinematic shots. Users can control focus, zoom, A/B movement, and other functions using the multi-function joystick. This level of control is excellent for users who want to refine every detail of their footage. Whether you're a vlogger, YouTuber, or aspiring filmmaker, the iSteady M6 offers everything you need in one device. With its powerful tracking, pro-level stabilization, and versatile lighting, it stands out as a top-tier Android gimbal designed to elevate your mobile videography. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.